Woo! What's up, guys? We are back with another trout fishing video, like always. Today's goal is to catch a big brown trout. That's always the goal. It's always been the goal. It's never gonna change because I can only catch brown trout apparently. We're gonna try to catch a PB brown today. I just started school, so I'm not gonna be fishing as much. Yeah, but I'm not here to talk about school today. I am here to catch a big brown. So let's just get to it. Let's just start fishing because I want to fish. I haven't fished in a while. It's been so long. Yeah. Let's get to it. All right, throwing a good old spinner. Let's get the first cast out of the way. Nothing. Guys, the temperature has been dropping. It's been dropping, which means that the water temperature is dropping too, which means trout are going to be more active. So hopefully we can land a big one today. Weather conditions. It's nice out. The sun is out. No clouds. Yeah, about 80 degrees outside. Water temperature feels cold. And that's the weatherman for you today. Oh, there we go. Nice little brown to start it off. Cool. Didn't even have to touch him. See if I can land a brook trout today. Sometimes this creek has brook trouts if I get lucky. Oh, there you go. Swimming towards me. Nice little brown. Ate it right when it landed. Oh, just stay still, try to show you guys. And now let you go. Beautiful brown. Okay. Another brown in the list. But was it worth it? My reel was in the water. Why couldn't you just be a big fish? Alright guys, just switch to the crank. Let's see if there's any cannibals here. Oh! Oh my god! It came off. No! That was a decent one. I was not expecting that. Oh, this is a... Okay, relax. Relax. Oh my gosh. Oh, my nets. What am I doing? Oh, yes. Nice brown, guys. I don't have my tape measure, but this guy's at least 17. Oh, he choked it. Oh my gosh, am I recording? Yes, I am. This might have been the same. No, there's no way this is the same one, but he absolutely choked it. Look at that, guys. Okay. Let's say I want you guys to get a good look at him first. Look at that, guys. Look at that. He absolutely choked it. Okay, I dropped him in the water. Okay, let's take out the hooks. Let's look at him, guys. He's at least I would say pushing 17, hopefully. But yeah. How do people on Instagram hold fish, man? How do people on Instagram do it? How do people do it, man? Look at that. All right, one last look. All right, here's the release, guys. He is good to go. The crank for the win. Crank for the win, guys. Crank for the freaking win. Another decent one. Oh my gosh, guys. This guy. This one's a male. Oh my gosh. My shirt's dirty. That's okay. This guy's getting pink. Look at this, guys. Arm's length, a little bit longer. Look at that, guys. This is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about. Nope, don't go yet. Sorry. Alright, this will unhook you. He's really pink. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but look at that cape. Oh my God, really? No. I dropped my pliers earlier, so I'm gonna use these as pliers. There we go. Hook is off. Look at that, guys. Look at that brown. It's one beast of a brown. All right, here you go. Here's the release. Awesome. That is what we're looking for, guys. That is what we're looking for. Big browns like that. That's the second brown that I call arm's length. Beauty. Sorry guys, I am in a rush right now. I am trying to get to the final destination for sunsets. There's this little waterfall I want to fish. That's where I usually catch my bigger ones. So I'm trying to rush before the sun sets. Oh, another nice one. What is this? Oh my God. Where are all these nice ones coming from? I go a whole month. Oh shoot. Okay, it's just his gill plates. Not his actual gills. But I go a whole month, guys. A whole month without catching decent ones. And oh my God, this is a smaller one. And it's up to my ring right there. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but look at that. Beast of a brown. Oh, I let it go. Oh my God, there's another fish over there that just jumped. I have high hopes, guys. Little guy. Gonna keep walking while fishing. I take this guy off. This might have been the little guy that jumped. This little guy, guys. Nice one. Whoa. This guy. Am I recording? Woo! Oh my God, guys. This one's a female. This one's gotta be 18, dude. Pushing 18. Oh my God, guys. Look at that beast. Dude, this guy, no, he passes the ring. Look at that. Look at that, guys. There he goes. Oh. That guy had to be pushing at least 18. At least 18. Sorry, I should have gave you guys a better look at him before he just jumped off. But my God. This was the spot, guys. This was the spot. He passed the ring right here. He was about this long. Probably up to this first line right here. I will probably have to measure that when I get home. Oh my God, look at that beaver right there. Don't go that way. I'm going that way. I'm scared of you. Don't go that way either. Turn around. Holy crap. What in the world? Animals, I tell you. I'm scared of you guys. Whoo! What a good day, guys. What a good day. The crankbait really... What the heck was that? I thought that was an animal. The crankbait really saved me today. It really saved me. It caught me probably 2 17s, 1 16, and that last one had to be an 18. It sucks I didn't have my bump board or a tape measure with me, but it's okay. I have a rough estimate on my pole, so yeah, I'm fine. I'm just happy that I caught some really decent fish today. I haven't had anything like that in a while, so really glad, really happy. Yeah, make sure you guys go get this crank. This crank is a killer. Last video, I think I did a crankbait video, and I only caught small fish. And I thought that the crank wasn't gonna do any good, but turns out I used it today. Amazing. Fall is here, guys. The big ones are coming out. So make sure you guys go out and fish. Yeah, it's getting dark now and I'm getting scared. I'm like in the middle of nowhere and I gotta hurry back. And I lost my net. I don't think I lost it actually. I think I know where it is. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Yeah, I still suck at these outros, but I caught a lot of fish, so I don't care. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.